Hello children, welcome to Nivedita School online classes. Children, today we are going to learn about lesson number 3, the Northern Plains, part 3. Yes children, in previous class we learnt about life in the Northern Plains. In that Punjab and Haryana we learnt. Yes, today we are going to learn about Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Jharkhand children. In Northern Plains, which states are there? No, one by one we are studying, isn't it? Yes. Now we will learn about Delhi children. Yes, you all know about that. Which is our capital city children? Yes, Delhi is our capital city children. Delhi shares the border with Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. As you all are watching in the screen note children, yes, Haryana and Delhi, it is the sharing his border. Next, Delhi is the capital of our country. Our central government, all our central government activities, many offices, all are in Delhi children. This is the metro city children. People from all parts of India are living here. Metro means what children? Underground railway system. It is a metro city. Then many people from all states, not only one or two states children, many states of people they are living in the Delhi children. All type of people living here. This is as you are all observing on the screen children, many people they are living in Delhi. As I already said that many states of people living in Delhi. See children, so all type of festival they are celebrating here. See they are celebrating many types festival. See Holi, Diwali, Dasara, Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay, all types of festival celebrating here. See children, many dynasties ruled our Delhi children. See, many historical monuments are here like the Qutub Minar, Jama Masjid, Red Fort, Jantar Mantar, okay, India Gate. These are the important monuments in Delhi. Qutub Minar. Yes children, Qutub Minar. It is the tallest stone tower in India children. It was built by the first rulers of Delhi. Yes, sir, Qutub Minar. The Qutub Minar is the tallest stone tower in India. It was built by the first rulers of Delhi Sultans. It is the landmark of Indian architecture, children. Qutub Minar has beautiful prayer halls, children. Okay, these are the monuments. They are in the Delhi, children. Next, Lotus Temple also is there. Akshardhama Temple also is there. See, Lotus Temple and Akshardhama Temple were monuments. Recently, they built. Qutub Minar, Jama Masjid, Red Fort, Jantar Mantar, India. These are the buildings when the Sultans were ruling the Delhi. At that time, they built this. Yes, children. Next, Uttar Pradesh. Which is the capital city of the Uttar Pradesh children? Yes, Lucknow. Lucknow is the capital of the Uttar Pradesh children. It is very populous state in India. See children, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh, it is the most populous state in India children. See children, here the main crops grown here like paddy, wheat, oil seeds, pulses, sugar canes. These are the main crops in Uttar Pradesh. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people. Here Kanpur is an industrial city of this state children. The world famous monument, the Taj Mahal also, it is in Agra. Then Varanasi, Allahabad and Kanpur, Meerut, Mathura, Agra. These are the important cities in Uttar Pradesh. These are the main cities in Uttar Pradesh. In our Karnataka, how the Bengaluru, Hubballi, Belgaum. These are the important cities now children, like Varanasi, Allahabad, Kanpur, Meerut, Mathura and Agra are the important or main cities in Uttar Pradesh. See children, in Kanpur it is a industrial place children. Kanpur is an industrial city of this state. See children, this is a Taj Mahal. Yes children, what is this? This is a Taj Mahal, the world famous monument. It is in the Agra. Taj Mahal now children, it is a made up of white marble and gemstones cover the outside of the Taj Mahal. Do you know children? Some 20,000 people worked on the monument. It took 22 years to build. See, 20,000 people, they worked 22 years children to build this monument. It is the one of the most beautiful buildings in the world. A ruler named Shah Jahan had the Taj Mahal as a monument and tomb for his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. See, Shah Jahan's queen, he was loving Mumtaz very much children. So, Shah Jahan, in the memory of Mumtaz, he built the Taj Mahal. Was the Muslim ruler children of Mughal Empire in India. It is the most beautiful monument children. What is this? This is the Taj Mahal built by Shah Jahan in the memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. Okay? Yes children. Next. Uttar Pradesh. Holi, Diwali, Dasara, Eid, Christmas. These festivals are celebrating. Next, we will learn about Bihar. Bihar is the land of the Buddha and Mahavira children. See, in second sem, all these Buddhism, Jainism, then many important social reformers, all we can learn children. See, Bihar is to the east of Uttar Pradesh. See here, Bihar, it is the east of the Uttar Pradesh children. Yes children, their teachings are still now we are following in many countries, not only in our country, in other countries also their teachings are following. Their followers are, many followers are there for them. Bihar is the east of Uttar Pradesh. See, Bihar is the east of the, in which direction it is? In the east direction. Patna is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Already said, Patna is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Here they are going, here also their main occupation is agriculture children. Here they are growing many type of pulses, wheat, sugarcane, paddy. These are the main occupation in Bihar. See children, it has a good mineral deposits. In Bihar it has a many good mineral deposits children. Means iron, bauxite, like that minerals, they are there in the Uttar Pradesh. See children, the languages Hindi and Urdu are the main languages here people are speaking. As already said, paddy, wheat, sugarcane, pulses, these are the main crops growing in Bihar children. Hindi and Urdu are the main language. As we are speaking Kannada now children, like that Hindi and Urdu are the main languages. We are speaking, our mother tongue is Kannada, isn't it? Along with them we are speaking English and Hindi also in our Karnataka. Like that here Hindi and Urdu are the main languages. In Bihar they are celebrating Chhat Puja, Diwali, Holi, Dasara and Durga Puja. These are the main festivals celebrating in Bihar. Next, Jharkhand. The capital of the Jharkhand is Ranchi. Yes, children. The capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi, children. Here also many important towns are there. See, children, Jharia, Dhanabad, then Bokaro. These are the important cities in Jharkhand. Jharkhand is very rich in minerals like, I'll show. See, children, iron, coal, bauxite. These are the main minerals there in the Jharkhand. India is the largest steel plant is there in Bokaro, children. In Bokaro it is the largest steel plant is there because they are getting more minerals in the Jharkhand, no, children. That's why many industries are there. Among them the steel industry is in Bokaro is the largest industry in India, children. Next, West Bengal. Yes, West Bengal is in the east of our country. See, children, West Bengal. East, west, north, south, isn't it? In the east of our country, West Bengal is there. The capital city of the West Bengal is, children? Yes, tell me. Yes, Kolkata is the capital city of West Bengal. See, children, it is a very fertile soil in this state because the Ganga, Brahmaputra deltas are here, no, children. That's why in this area the soil is very fertile. So they are growing paddy, jute. In many other crops also they are growing, but paddy and jute are the main crops they are growing here. The most important festival, children, they are celebrating Durga Puja. Durga Puja is the important festival celebrating in West Bengal. Their main language is Bangla, children. The main language spoken here is the Bangla. The main language spoken in West Bengal is the Bangla. Yes, children. Next, we learn about Assam. Assam is in northeast of our country. See, children, here it is Assam. Assam is northeast of our country, children. Here it is Dispur is the capital city of Assam. Here also they are growing paddy and jute. These are the main crops they are growing in Assam. Assam is famous for, children. Assam is famous for tea. Yes, the state is famous for tea. It is a huge deposit of. Then in Assam it has a deposits of petroleum also, children. See, it is the all are you are observing on the screen, no, children. What is this? Tea cultivation. See, children, this state is famous for tea and also huge deposits of petroleum, children. Yes, as already said that the capital of Assam is the Dispur. It is but the largest city is Guwahati. Guwahati is the largest city in Assam. The capital of Assam is Dispur, but the largest city is Guwahati. See, children, Bihu is the main festival. Bihu festival, harvesting festival, children. It is how we are celebrating Sankranti. Like that they are celebrating Bihu. It is the very important festival in Assam. Assamese is the main language there. They are speaking in Assamese. Their language is Assamese. Next we will learn about Tripura. Tripura is surrounded by Bangladesh on three sides, children. See, Bangladesh. Here it is. Yes. See, the capital of Tripura is Agartala. Agartala is the capital city of Tripura, children. Here also their main crops paddy and jute. Okay. Yes, children. This is all about lesson number 3, the northern plains. Yes, children. Now we will learn about textbook activities, children. All of you take out your textbook, page number 119. Tick the correct answer. Yes, the Ganga originates from the Gangotri glacier. Yes, this is the correct answer. Yamunotri glacier, Haridwara. No, children, it is not. Gangotri glacier. In Bangladesh, the Ganga is known as Hooghly, Padma river and Padmini river. No, children. In Bangladesh, the Ganga is known as Padma river. Tansangbo is another name of the river Brahmaputra. The rock garden is in Nainital, Kolkata and Chandigarh. Yes, children, it is Chandigarh. The rock garden is in Chandigarh. Durga Puja is the most important festival of Orissa, Haryana and West Bengal. West Bengal is the correct answer, children. The Lotus Temple is in, yes, Delhi. Match the following. Page number 120. Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Isn't it, children? Kanpur, it is the industrial area in Uttar Pradesh. Next, tea. Tea. Where it is growing, children? Yes. Tea is famous. Assam is famous for tea, children. This is the second answer. The Golden Temple, it is located in the Punjab. India's largest steel plant, Jharkhand. Central government in the Delhi, children. Our state government is in the Bangalore, no, children. Like that, central government, it is in the Delhi. Next, write true or false. Yes, children. Bhakra Dam is in Bihar. False, children. Bhakra Dam is in the Punjab. There is a big dairy farm at Karnal. Yes, it is true. Gurgaon is famous for automobile industry, children. Yes, it is true. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Yes, children, it is also true. Bihu is the festival of Jharkhand. False. Bihu is the festival of Assam. This is the correct answer. Yes, children, all of you write in your textbook. Write neatly and correctly. Okay? Thank you, children.